Position the squeezing bowl on the power base, aligning the position of the spouts and axle. You will receive two filters, that is for juice and sorbet. Push the filter and squeezing auger firmly into the center of the bowl. Make sure that it touched down the bottom, or else the cover cannot be closed. Position the feeding cup on the bowl to twist it clockwise until it clicks the safety lock. You can unlock the feeding cup. Turn the knob to the right to begin the juicing operation. A pusher is included to help the process, and also a small feeding hole to help insert any fruit while extracting. If food becomes stuck inside the bowl, rotate the knob to the left for the reverse function immediately. During the juicing process, you could keep the drip stop cover closed before the juice is full in the juicing bowl. Use the sorbet filter to make sorbet. Make sure to use frozen fruit to be able to make a perfect sorbet.